Hey guys, wanna know how to add freeze frame in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, import any media or any video that you like. Drag it to your timeline. And once that is done, find the part that you want to snapshot. And once you've found the part, take your secret to that part, and then on the right side right here, under preview, you can see this camera icon right here. Click on it. This is the snapshot icon and it will take a snapshot of your preview. And once that is done, it should be automatically imported to your media. Now you can just simply drag and drop it to the timeline and take it to the part where you want to freeze it. And trim the remaining part of the video. And there you have it. That's it. Super simple and easy. And that's how you add frame freeze in Filmora. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.